There was a plea deal surviving family members did not see coming, one where they wish they would have had a part in.
Yeah, the murder trial of Sherry Fitzpatrick ended Friday morning with a plea to a lesser charge. West 2's Dave McDaniel spoke with loved ones who wanted a different outcome.
That we had. I mean, for 27 months, they were talking about what a strong first-degree murder case that they had on her.
The murder case against Sherry Fitzpatrick ended before all the testimony was completed.
As to the offense of second-degree murder, reclassified as a life felony, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Guilty to the July 2021 shooting death of her husband, Timothy. His previous wife and mother to their kids, frustrated about how the case ended.
We always thought that the family has some say in whether or not a plea deal should go on, or if we rather take our chances.
Saying they likely would have let the jury decide.
I think they should have told us what they wanted to do and asked our opinion first instead of blindsiding us.
Late in the week, a photo of Sherry Fitzpatrick with a black eye surfaced, a photo from more than 5 years ago. The state attorney's office writing in a statement after the plea was accepted, the defense had the intent to produce both witnesses and evidence that Fitzpatrick had been the victim of prior domestic violence, and that while arguable, there was sufficient evidence for the defense to proceed with a battered spouse presentation, potentially resulting in an acquittal if the state was unable to disprove those claims. The state attorney's office said when Sherry Fitzpatrick pleaded guilty to second-degree murder, she accepted responsibility for her husband's death. Continuing, writing the agreement represents our best effort to consider the desires of those affected by this tragedy, protect the community we serve, and deliver justice on behalf of Timothy Fitzpatrick. Adamson and others wish the state would have challenged the authenticity of the photo and what it proved, saying this about the 10-year sentence Fitzpatrick will serve.
Hopefully she has a very miserable time in prison, which I'm sure she will.
In Seminole County, Dave McDaniel, West 2 News.
In addition to a 10-year prison sentence, Sherry Fitzpatrick must also successfully complete 10 years of probation after she's released.